Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can redeem gift cards on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, we're simply gonna be going ahead and opening up our Etsy app over here. As soon as we opened our Etsy app, we're going to be adding our items to our cart for our gift card. If you already have, then tap on cart at the bottom right. Then once you have your product over here that you want to purchase, then you're going to tap on this option of proceed to checkout. Once you have done that, it's going to take a little bit of time, and once it's ready, you can tap on ship here if you have already added your address. If not, tap on this add new and add new address. Now I'm going to tap on ship here. Then the next step is simply choosing a payment method. You're going to simply choose the payment method of redeem a gift card or Etsy credit given at the bottom. Go ahead, check out your physical gift card that you have got. Check it out, the number that will be there. Go ahead, type in the code right over there. Tap on apply, but make sure it is a correct code for you not to make mistake. Add the correct code, tap on apply, and there you go. You will be able to redeem your gift card over here in Etsy for your products, and then you go, you will have a preview and you can confirm your order, and that's it. You can do that to any other cards as well, and as many times as you would prefer. So that is it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in our next video.